Once we have the bin size decided, it's time to calculate the number of days that should fit within each bin. While we could do this using the COUNTIF statement, it's much easier to use an inbuilt array function in Excel called frequency. First, select an array of cells that's one greater than our list of bins. In the first cell, we'll then type equals frequency, and the data array will simply be our revenues. And the bins array will be the bins we've just created and also include the label. We'll then close the bracket and press Ctrl-Shift-Enter to create the array formula. This formula calculates the number of days that belong in each revenue bin.